What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to add people to Apple Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do this. Well, this one is actually pretty easy, but there are a few things that you need to understand here. Now, in order for you to add your people account into your Apple Wallet account, you can only do this if you have a digital debit card that you have on your people account. Now, if you don't have one, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to do so. But if you do have one, what you need to do is you just need to open up your settings here in your iPhone, and you want to go and go to the very bottom here, and you want to look for wallet. Now, in your wallet here, you should see a bunch of things, but what we are looking for is going to be the add card option underneath the payment cards option there. Now, once you click on add card here, you just need to provide the details for your card. So that includes your card number, the expiration date for it, and also the CVV or the CVC for it. But yeah, so you could go and set this as your default as well if you want, but you go and click on continue or save in order for you to save your card, and you should be able to start using it in your Apple Wallet. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.